This video is for All Air HVAC LLC. My name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So by the end of this video you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay. So now let me show 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is the content. So you want to make sure on your home page you have more than 1500 words, because Google loves content with right keywords and also pictures saving correct way. So if we come here and see how they saved, see it's all numbers here. So better if here it would be some keywords. It was also going to help it. Second thing I want to talk about, it's a citation. So if you come here, we can see Google guaranteed ads. Then we can see normal ads here, but now in 2020 a lot of people have ad blockers, so it's some people see, some people don't. And then here we have a Mac pack. So what is a citation? It is essentially your business name, address and phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. It's basically, to put it simply, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services. Within there would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on this maps here, you need to make sure that you're looking at your competition's directory listing and seeing what they're currently being listed in. And you want to try and go out and get yourself listed in there as well, but you don't want to just stop, you just want to add a little bit more, so that way you're completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we already covered content and citation. Last thing I want to cover is backlinks. So that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. If you come here, first, like you see, it's a Yelp. We see expertise. We see home advisors here. So it's these are a lot of big national companies that are taking up the top of the page. The way backlinks work, all it means is that there is a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. If you have, for example, an ice cream shop that had sent you a link, you did some work for them and you did a good job and they send you a link, but their whole website's all about ice cream shops and ice cream stuff, it's not going to do it as much good for you as, let's say, another HVAC company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking at one of these tools I have here, it's called Ahrefs. It's not 100% accurate, but it's one of these companies that buys data from Google. And so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. As I see here, you have 27 referring domains. That gives you 55 backlinks, and you are getting found for 105 keywords, and out of those keywords you're getting 77 people on average on your site each month. Just to show you one of your competitors here, see they have 716 referring domains. That gives them more than 3,000 backlinks, and they're getting found of more than 26,000 keywords, and out of those keywords they're getting more than 26,000 people on average on their site each month. So to boost these numbers is very doable, and we specialize in this. And to be short, this is pretty much it what I had today, and I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries, enjoy the free tips I've given today. If you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did. Thanks again and have a great day.